Hello everybody, salam alaikum and welcome to Tunisia in northern Africa. We flew to Hammamet to be exact. Maybe you've seen the video yesterday or the day before yesterday, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, so we arrived in our apartment, which it's a little apartment I'll show you anyway. And then, basically we're going to the beach. Which is very close by. Hammamet is a super touristy place, so it's not like the Tunisia you're dreaming about, It's probably just more like the Tunisia you're most likely to see once you come to Tunisia, you know what I mean, right? Anyway, so we'll start the journey here. We have an apartment here for a week, and then we'll go down to Sousse, which is equally touristy. And then we'll go further south, and we have not really made a plan yet, so the guy at the airport was very surprised when he asked me how long we'll stay. I say, I don't know, sure, 2 or 3 months, which is normal. We mostly go to a country and stay there and explore there for as long as we can, right? Of course, many countries you can only go for 1 month, but many countries you can also go for 3 months. And this is not a visa, you get like a visa exempt for 3 months once you arrive. For many countries. I'm sure it's not for all of them, like it always is. I'm not running the world, but I'll show you, as much as I can of Tunisia, starting with a tourist place and starting with the Moonshine residency here in Hammamet North. Anyway, so this is our bedroom. Do you want to say hello, guys? I'm filming. You may have noticed this. Everybody's okay. Hello. So it's morning. We'll just go down the beach and explore. Anyway, so this is like our apartment. There's actually quite high ceilings. This is like a condo. It's like a house with 3 floors, kind of like. And it's quite nice, there's 2 extra mattresses. We sleep here very well. There's even an AC. It's not that hot, but sometimes during the day you like it. We got big cupboards, nice comfortable bed, cheerful kids, and all kinds of stuff, and this is quite nicely done, nicely refurbished and all. See, it's the hallway. I put the lights on, you should get a picture. There's a mirror, of course there's a mirror. There's the bathroom, well the shower actually is not a bathroom, but it's quite nice. It's a bit of a mess, but we got here yesterday. No, actually we slept here 2 nights, what am I saying? But yesterday we didn't see much, so kind of like arriving, and so now we're exploring a little bit more now anyway. And our kids had a breakfast. Hello Vincent, you want to say hello to my friends and subscribers? All right. He's Sonic, the fastest thing in life. So anyway, so that's like the living room slash slash kitchen, and it's all right. It's not a big. In the next place we'll have a bigger apartment anyway. So I'm actually uploading the video I made from the journey here, and anyway, so we have a TV, lots of channels, and not so many English channels, but at least there's a couple. And let's say some bread. The kids were eating some dates, some butter, some margarine, some fig jam, and my son making experiments with water glasses. Some books and some sweets, even Swiss chocolate, and you have your kitchen, which is functioning well. It's a good fridge, some eggs, some food that my wife and I will eat after the kids eat. Of course, they eat normally breakfast in the morning, but we'll have like black coffee, no sugar in the morning. Tunisian coffee, which is hot. It's strong. And then my wife eat the first meal 11, 12, something like that. Anyway, so we'll go to the beach and we have our proper breakfast in the morning, right? Anyway, so there's a little balcony. It's a bit of a shame that the walls are so high, so you cannot really, I'm not that short, you can't look out really. But you can hang your stuff for your dry. We have a stroller here and all. And anyway, so let me show you and myself the beach. Okay guys? So let's go to the beach. Wanna go to the beach? Yeah, well, not so cheerful, dude. He's not used to filming anymore. So anybody wants to go to the beach?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's do that and see you on the way to the beach. To the beach. All right, you ready? Alrighty. These are 2 more apartments that are rented out on Airbnb, and actually, well, quite a nice house. Yeah. So there's, I think, the family who rents this out is also living here. I'm not sure. It's quite a big house actually, and you don't see much, but you have like a, what's it called, privacy. Although, yeah, see, and yeah, this is like the main entrance. Alright, you see, so this is like a back alley, but don't be fooled, it's very close to the beach, and there's like a big hotel just the backside of the very not of us hotel or something like that. And to get back, of course, there are European people renting the other rooms or the other apartments, the other Airbnbs. It's on Airbnb, and yeah, they complained already. This is such. It can only be Europeans. Well, it could also be Americans or Australians or whatever, Westerners, right? I mean, no, people here are super friendly, and in Tunisia, well, they'll be in Morocco and Malaysia and Indonesia and whatever, India and Pakistan, and nobody ever complained about the kids. You know, it's not that they have a free pass; they can do anything they want, but they can. They're kids, and people love kids. Let's say, you know, not all over Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. It's no problem. But and we just spent 2 months or 3 months almost in Switzerland, and we went to Romania, and complaints, and now we escaped from Europe again, because you know, they kind of like hate children there. Not all of them, of course. As long as they obey, they don't hate them. As long as they shut up, and it's like here is the same, and they're not. My kids are not even that loud. I mean, they're a bit loud, yeah, but it's not so bad. And anyway, so we get complaints. If those were Tunisian neighbors, they wouldn't say anything. You know, they'd actually like the sounds of laughing children. Just mentioning that, not when I bring up a subject to discuss. Although you can let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. But it's crazy. This is the Westerners. The most developed countries that will mistreat children once they show any sign of, you know, character. You know. By the way, same people that use toilet paper, but you know, instead of the bum gun, which is more clean. Anyway, let's go to the beach. Right, guys, let's go to the beach. Everybody ready? Everybody ready? I don't know these guys. Like a huge hotel complex, and our apartment is right behind it. And yeah, well, just have to go around it. It's just a very short walk. Just come on. See here everywhere, not only date palm trees, but also these olive trees. You know, like everywhere around this area. I suppose this is all over Tunisia, but let's see. This is the first stop, and lots of olive trees. Right, Olive? These are your trees. Hey, boy, are you okay? Are you excited? Alright. Let's go to the beach a little bit. Let's not get super burned by the sun. Because it's a strong sun, and we have just spent 2-3 months in the coldest country in the world. It's not true. But not super sunny country, right? This area is that there are lots of, like, you know, these nice houses, and this is a tourist place you have to see, understand. I mean, we have an apartment, so we have our own kitchen, so we can avoid the expensive tourist restaurants, and but yeah, Hammamet is like not like Tunisia, like the cultural Tunisia, the real Tunisia. This is like for the rich and for the tourists, you know, basically. See, and that's what the regular people do. They collect stuff here or something. See, all olive trees. Sabal khair. And this is the rich have their houses, and yeah, the whole area. Well, I'll show you. I'll make a separate video of the touristy, like the tourist mile, whatever you want to call it. See, nice cacti. It's not only olive trees. But see, nice houses, but of course these houses have no character. They could stand anywhere in the world. You know, this at least has a little bit of Tunisian character, but although I don't want to overdo saying that, right? This is quite charming here, I must say. You know, like these trees and these flowers and, well, the buildings and that. Well, they're good buildings, of course. Probably not the cheapest in the book. But yeah, it's quite nice. It's nice to be on the road again. I'm very happy. And this is not the worst place to start off, although it's super touristy. But anyway, so let's go take that road down there and then we're already there. See? That's like a regular Tunisian street with a bus. It's probably a tourist bus. Voyage et loisirs, Tunisie, taxis. Yeah, these guys, the guys living here, they're in for the tourist money. So this is not like a town, like or a city. They go to Tunis or the capital or whatever, Sfax and whatever cities they have, like regular cities where you see how the people live. This is more, you know, vacation place, holiday place. I see this is the backside of the hotel. See, it's quite nice. Well, you can't really see, but the outside flowers are quite nice. Oh, the vegetation outside. Hey guys. I see hotel complex pretty big. See, Lemongrass Hotel. So that is where like the tourist mile starts down there. I'll make a separate video because yeah, I do want to compare it to other places. Let's say places in Morocco or places in Egypt, you know, which are, depending where you go, terrible or great, you know. Anyway, so let's go down to the beach, our first Tunisian beach, and yeah, let's keep that for another video. All right. Alright. Lemongrass Hotel is like a 5-star hotel. It's like a really expensive one. So even the guy, everybody knows that one. The taxi driver too. So I told him to come here because we're staying right next to it. And was haggling over the price. Still ripped me off, but less than he wanted to. And yeah, I was just thinking, man, what the hell is he haggling over the taxi price when, you know, when he's so rich staying there? No, we're staying like at the Airbnb, like $25 a night, which is all right for Hammamet. Oh, check it out, nice flowers. Hey, of course, you'll see. Oh, I'll show you in the next video or one of the next videos that this, like the strip, there's all these expensive, nice hotels, and oh, the boy is sad. Hey. Anyway, so this. And there are cleaners here, and you know, see all kinds of people. I go out running at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I do see a few people running, but it's nicest when it's empty early morning. Check out the flowers here, and date palms. Yeah, there's big industries, the olives and the dates. Like when you eat dates in Europe, and mostly from Tunisia. Well, there's some from Israel as well, but of course they're being boycotted by lots of people. But anyway, so Tunisia, dates and olives, big thing, and tourism. Yeah, I'll be showing you all some of the most touristy places, but also I'll try to show you the authentic places, like the places where nobody goes to. Beach house. So alright, so here's the sea. Well, it's early morning still, kind of like. So the colors are not as great as they will be in the afternoon, but I want to show you anyway. The morning beach. It's like the public beach, which is like, you know, not the nicest of ways, you know, but it's okay. Because the coast is all lined with hotels. And yeah, but anyway, see? There we are. And there's coming, a tractor is coming, probably working for one of the hotels to make the beach even. But nicey nice. Les dunes de Flandre. Flanders, dude. That's it. Anyway. I see he's making it all nice, I suppose. That is it. Yeah, that's it. Check it out. That's what it does. I came here yesterday in the afternoon quickly, and it was all like very blue, turquoise colors, whatever. And now it's because it's morning. It's a bit, you know, more like a damp thing, but still quite nice. Quite empty, actually. Hey, you all good? Wow. Interesting to see these people. They're collecting garbage from the beach in the morning, and yeah, they're like flattening the sand, or I'm not sure what they do, but it's interesting. It's like a super touristy place. I mean, it's going all the way down, you know, over there. I'll show you. This is like the tourist mile of Hammamet, and here's like kind of like still the tourist mile, right? But yeah, so in the morning they're cleaning up the beach, because that's what the beaches look like by nature. Well, humans throw things out everywhere, so there'll be garbage on the beaches around the world caused by, you know, humans. But these guys on the touristy places, they'll clean up for you in the morning, give you the illusion that there's no pollution. It's not too bad. It's early morning. It's not so early. It's like 10 o'clock almost. But yeah, kids like it. They do. So, you guys okay? How do you like the beach here? Huh? Vincent, how's the beach? Hey, how's the beach here? Good? Did you say good?
Yeah.
How's the water? A bit cold? Not too cold. Olive, how do you like the beach? So far, Tunisia, good? Well, I didn't see much. It's a little bit fresh, but not cold. Not coldish. Yeah, it's still a bit hazy. You know, this will turn, in the afternoon, this will turn all blue. But I want you to see the morning atmosphere, which is not so bad, actually. And the tractors have gone, and I just realized the tractors also collected garbage out of the sand. And there's some mechanism that do that. And see, and there's paragliders starting early, you know, like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock is early. People sleep in, then they have their breakfast, hotel breakfast and whatever. And yeah, we get up at 6. Well, at least my wife and I, the kids sleep like until 7. Yeah, it's all good. Anyway. Okay, first, Tunisian beach. It's good, but I'll show you also at another time, like later on, when it's a different picture. And I'll show you the beaches downwards towards the south, and you know, then we'll make a turn around and go to the capital and look at the treasures in the north. And along there we'll see some of the Roman treasures. There's some things you don't know about Tunisia, but actually the Romans were here. There's Carthages here. You know, there's lots of interesting historical stuff as well. Anyway, so see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Guys, you say bye bye? You say bye bye? Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye. We've been here for an hour, and the colors are coming out slowly. I mean, more or less, right? But it's quite nice. We're starting to like it, like really like it. Aren't we? Yes, we are. It's nice. There's not too many people. I mean, if you think this is like high season, I mean, our high season starting now, let's say in a country like Switzerland, holiday vacation season is starting from next week. I don't know when it is in France, but yeah. The summer month, it will quadruple here. There will be lots more people here. So, actually, it would be interesting the next few weeks to see the increase of tourism. I see these are all like local kids here, so it's not even tourists here. And then I see there's a fisherman there. Anyway, so I wanted to show you. Still, it's a bit daisy, a bit hazy. I mean, anyway, I wanted to show you, but it's still, even now you can see that the different kinds of blue are coming out of the sea, but still it's hazy altogether. Anyway, guys, I wanted to come back. I will show you when it's not so hazy. Bye bye.